Alright everyone, this is the cumber alignment tool that we're using today. This guy's pretty beast mode. You just pretty much line the levels up with 0 and that point there. It'll help your alignment of your vehicle all around from what they say. So today we're officially going to see if it works. Alright guys, so right now we're officially setting 0 on the alignment tool that we're using to check our alignment on the Skiota. Gotta make sure all these little levels and everything are nice and leveled out. Make sure everything's nice and squared and balanced. That way we can check the front end, make sure that everything's level. Help our alignment out on the car. We have a drag to the left hand side a little bit there. So hopefully if it's off, we can fix it real quick. Tighten everything down, adjust it to where it needs to be adjusted. Alright, just double checking our measurements, making sure everything's all nice and zeroed out, balanced out, nice and level.
I'm gonna take my tire off.
Alright, this is our triple check verification. Our bubbles are lining up nice and good. So now we can put everything back together real quick and check the front end. Alright guys, just got done getting our bubble levels all nice and level underneath there. Tightening everything down up and in here. Make sure everything's nice and snug, nice and tight. Got the alignment, the cumber alignment officially done for the front end of the car. If any of you wondering how you do it, this is how you do it. You loosen up these guys down in here, and this will move from this section and this diagonal here. And it'll move your entire wheelbase from the left to the right. And the whole nifty thing about it is what makes it level is this cool little tiny tool right here. That's how you check your balance. For some vehicles, not all, but some. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below on some better ways to do things, new ways to do things. Even if you just like what you're seeing. I'll catch you next time. And now, we check the right hand side. Did one side, now you gotta do the other, right? Always the basic of mechanics. Pivoting that out just a little bit there. Just showing you what we're doing. Making sure this balance bubble right here is good, nice level. Make sure it's 0 and 0. And your front end should be level. So, just move this guy over just a little bit, nudge by nudge. After you loosen those, check your level bubbles. And we're pretty well golden, it's looking like. Got everything double checked, double verified, bubbles lined up nice and good. Now we're just doing a quick tight down. Making sure everything's nice and tight and snug.
Hold on, I got to show you how much stretch goes in.
Alright everyone, this is the cumber alignment tool that we're using today. This guy's pretty beast mode. You just pretty much line the levels up with 0 and that point there. It'll help your alignment of your vehicle all around from what they say. So today we're officially going to see if it works.